Ensuring government flexibility will yield more efficient programs and spending because decisions will be made by those best in position to respond to the community needs. It will also relieve administrative burdens at the federal level. This message comes directly from tribal leaders. We went to them with one simple question: what can we do with what we have already without asking for more resources that will provide greater opportunity for Indians, create more impact for federal programs? And over the answer came back: we need freedom at the local level to best use our limited resources. We know what's best because we live in Indian country. We know where the needs are, when we know what works for our people. No one understands Indian life better than the Indian nations themselves, those people who live there daily. Give us the flexibility. The Standing Rock Sioux Tribe, North Dakota, delivering broadband services across their reservation because of governmental flexibility. The FCC's decision to designate Standing Rock Telecom as an eligible telecommunications carrier means they are the first fully tribally owned and operated broadband company that can receive universal service funds. This designation has empowered Standing Rock to own and operate essential telecommunications infrastructure. This offers avenues for economic development, opportunities to preserve tribal languages and culture, and infrastructure for distance learning programs. That's the kind of flexibility we need in Indian country when only 1 in 10 Native people have access to broadband today. The Reno Sparks Indian Colony in Nevada opened a 65,000 square foot health facility in 2007 that showed the promise of tax-exempt bond financing. Almost $16 million in bonds funded a full-service clinic that serves 100,000 people each year. This project created permanent jobs and built the infrastructure for quality health services. Tribes were denied full access to this source of financing until the Recovery Act created a limited bond offering. Based on that experience, the Treasury released a report in December recommending the governmental parity for tribal nations because it works. This will bring huge economic benefits to tribes and surrounding regional economies. Education is another example where flexibility can prepare our children for the global marketplace. The Cherokee Nation's Language Immersion School formed an innovative partnership with Apple Computers to integrate technology and the Cherokee language. They developed Cherokee language software for use on Macintosh computers, on iPhones, iPods, and iPads. Students even chat online in Cherokee with students from Eastern Band of Cherokees in North Carolina. This is a powerful example of tribal innovation and initiative, the type of innovation that vesting tribes with greater authority over our own programs unleashes. Whether in economic development or education, healthcare, or energy, the key to getting it right is the freedom to identify and tear down barriers to our success.